A dead key fob battery for your Volkswagen Atlas is one of those little annoyances that punches above its weight. The first time this happened to me, I was convinced something was wrong with the whole car. Turns out it's surprisingly common. There are warning signs. Your Atlas suddenly doesn't respond to the fob, or the range drops to where you have to be inches from the car. Maybe the power liftgate won't open. Trust me, you're not alone. If I had $1 for every friend asking about this. The good news? You can fix this at home in about 90 seconds. No special Volkswagen tools needed. I'm Scott, I live in Portland, and if you have 5 fingers and a flat object, you're halfway there. Let's break it down. First, make sure your Atlas is turned off and your hands are clean. I always like to start by laying a clean towel down because the battery is about the size of a nickel and loves to disappear into carpet folds. Flip your key fob over and look for the seam where the two pieces come together. You'll notice a small indentation along the seam. This is your access point. This is not just a decor flourish. It is the literal gateway to your battery. Now grab something flat. Either a small flathead screwdriver or even a sturdy key will work. Insert it gently into that slot and twist. You'll hear a subtle click as the case pops open. Don't muscle it or risk damaging the delicate internals. Lift the two halves apart carefully. Held together by little plastic tabs, they're not invincible. I once cracked a tab being overzealous, so patience, like coffee in Portland, is a virtue here. Take your time. Inside you'll see the battery, a CR2032 coin cell, almost always. Most hardware stores have these for under $5. Take a photo of the battery orientation before removing it. It seems excessive, but reversal happens more than you'd think. Use your fingernail or the edge of your screwdriver to gently lift out the old battery. Sometimes there's a little pop as it gives way. Avoid touching the new battery's flat surfaces, as oils from your skin can shorten its life. Think surgeon, not sandwich artist here. Drop the fresh CR2032 into place, matching the photo reference you hopefully took. Usually the positive side faces up, but Volkswagen sometimes likes to keep us guessing. Snap the two halves of the case back together with a satisfying click. Test the fob before you run away feeling victorious. Walk a few paces from your Atlas and try locking and unlocking it. You should see instant response. If not, double-check the battery orientation. This solves it for 95% of cases. If your fob remains dead, it's worth checking. Is the new battery good? Try another. If that still doesn't work, it might be time for a dealership check. But for the other 99 out of 100 folks, you just saved yourself an unnecessary trip. Pro tip: keep a spare CR2032 in your glove box. The happiest people are prepared people, and you won't have to scramble around Portland at 9 p.m. hunting for a replacement. And hey, now you're the resident key fob expert.